Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, September the 21st, 2023. Yes, the autumn is today. Yeah, the autumn. So summer ends and autumn comes. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle 12 by 12, this one, and the other one is a killer Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have also two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me solve these 2 puzzles. Alright, news of today. Well, just on the news, there's a new war between Azerbaijan and Armenia, near the border of Russia. Yeah. Well. No peace in this at this time. Alright, this one, the binary puzzle number 7134. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 39 printed digits, and it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Yeah, double O, here one, there one. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Alright, now double 1, here no, there no. You go back to the O's. We have a double O here one, there one. Double O, 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 here one, there one. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, and between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so let's start O's. Double O, here one, there one. Well. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so let's start O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so let's start ones. Well. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. So that box should be an O. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 here, the sixth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have in this row 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have first one, the second one, the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one here, no there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Well, need a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I can. Now I'm stuck now. So I need to compare some rows or columns. We have here 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Well. Let me see this column with double O. Double O. Double O1001. Well, this one I cannot compare. 100. This one I cannot compare. Double 10. Well, not true, not true. Well, we have one. This one and that one. Let me compare 111100111100 empty box 00110000. So we need to switch these two boxes digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Okay, between two ones comes an O, between two double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are ones. And between two ones comes an O. Finished in 11 minutes. Well, only one time comparing this column and that column. We solve it again, And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.